Boys, so we are on our way to Will's unit. We're going to go and hand back a customer's bike. We've fitted a full Ventus controller kit to it. So he previously had a nuclear controller on it, but he wanted the extra power, seeing as he already had the Social motor, which can do up to like 1,000 phase amps. But the nuclear, if you didn't know, is limited to about 500. It's great if you're not going to upgrade the motor. It's a great bit of kit, but if you've already got the motor, you definitely need to make the most of those extra phase amps. So we're just giving the bike back to the customer. He's off. That bike is actually too fast. It's too powerful with that setup on it. It's mental. What do you think of it compared to the nuclear controller?
Something else. You definitely can't ride this in 5 everywhere.
Just did a little photo shoot with these. So I'm gonna put a little edit in now. These wheels are all sold, but yeah, pretty sick. So as you can see, we've got the Hyper Bee over in the corner. Leave a comment down below if you want to see me do a video on this. Right, this is set up because we've got something to install on the bike, and I'm going to give you a little hint. Actually, that's all I'm going to show, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this on a time lapse. I'm going to stick the graphics on. Got some new fancy pegs here, got a chain guide. So yeah, without further ado, let's get the bike in here, put it on the stand, and let's get modding. Guys, so the first thing I want to install is the Artec chain guide. So if you're familiar with the Ultra Bee, you've just got this sort of hollow plastic thing. It doesn't actually do anything. Let's get rid of that. It doesn't actually guide the chain. It's literally just more of a guard than a guide. The chain doesn't seem to be stretching anymore, even though it's a fairly new chain. But yeah, this is absolutely huge, but it's going to be a great improvement. This will just help catch the chain if it decides to drop off. Not that I've had that, but just peace of mind. And it also, hopefully, it will help my chain from slapping so hard when I'm landing jump. Okay, so we've got the chain guide on here. So what I like about this is that it's flexible rubber. So it actually will deflect if it hits things instead of break. And also I really like the hardware they've used. So this hardware is a 8mm hex head with a Torx bit inside of it. If you go up to my forks, you'll find that they also have this. This is commonly used in motocross, so you can either use the hex head or the Torx bit, and you've got an option in case you round out one or the other, which is great. But yeah, it looks really good on the bike. Pretty pleased with that. But let's get on with the next job. So guys, the next job for this is for me to remove all of the graphics that are on it, which is a bit of a sad day, but I'm going to stick it on another time lapse and let's get these off quickly. As you can see, I've peeled off most of the frame stickers around here. Some of the places where my legs contact most have left some sticky residue, so I'm going to have to get that off. But quick tip guys, when you're applying graphics, heat them up. I generally find if you're pulling them off, if you heat them up trying to remove them, it makes the glue go soft and the glue actually separates from the sticker and stays on your frame worse. So yeah, I don't know, that might help some of you guys out. You can kind of see what overlam is here because you can actually see the outline of the extra layer through the bottom. So it's a triple layer wrap, basically. Okay, here's the first couple I've done. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get these on and then we'll do a quick edit and I'll show you what the finished product looks like. Yeah, but these graphics hold a secret, so wait until you see these in the sun. You can see the holographic in here a bit better. It's really bright. So I hope you enjoy the new look of the bike. It's just starting to rain here. We're here with WGT Will, my brother Sam. We've just been getting some edits, but yeah, I think it's time to gear up and head out on the bikes. switch over to the GoPro. Le bosh! Do you reckon you can land that into a wheelie?
Breaking out newborns, driven by the allure. Facing life head on, blowing fresh at the door. No limits, all in it, yeah, be ready to soar. Every step that I take, every move that I make, anticipating, no more waiting, elevating the stakes. Some full stride, eyes open, captivating the scene. True life, my time, liberating my dreams. Every challenge that I'm seeking to meet, I'm overcoming, steady grinding, keep my beat to the street. I keep my mind thinking wise, hoping better to keep. Rising high, go get it,
You're annoying.
vision I see. I'm getting clever, yeah.
Hardcore parkour? I usually go that way, but I'll come this way. I had to dab. Yeah. We're here again. What the fuck was that guy doing? He was just like running in and out of the bushes. What did you say? That was a coincidence.
Good?
How are you?
Yeah, not too bad, man.
He messaged me like yesterday. Hey, that was jokes, bro. You just fucking ran that thing over.
What the hell?
We can go up here, bear left, and come out near Ronnie's house, and then.
Alright, we can go that way. Watch this. I've only got 59%.
Yeah, that's loads.
Yeah, but I need at least 30 to get home. I don't know what happens when you go below 10.
Yeah.
It might only give me like 5 kilowatts.
Is it a gap? Yeah. Should I hit it blind? Yeah. Yeah.
Hit my shit. Oh, come on, Grandpa, come on. It's a good one.
Send that. No, he'll get bucked and go straight over the bars.
I want a bigger gap. That van's slow.
Where? Yeah. Send it, go on. Brake tap, bitch! Nice! Come down! Just come past it and round it. Your helmet disconnected from me, but...
Yeah, because you keep getting gapped.
Start recording. Nearly got taken out back from that log.
Really? Right, well that's it guys, another successful ride. I'm really happy with how the bike's turned out. This blue colour combo looks absolutely epic on the bike. It was very plain and understated before, like I said in my last video where I was talking about picking colours based on your riding ability, like don't do anything too flashy at the start. That's kind of why I went for more of a subtle theme like Will has, but we're both you know, mixing up the style with our graphics in the immediate future so that we can look pretty cool when we've got our supermotos on in the mountains on our next trip. But yeah guys, as always, my name's Stingy. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to leave me a like and drop a comment below what your favourite bike was on the video. Mine obviously is my favourite personally, but if you prefer Sam's, let me know. I mean, green colour scheme does look pretty sick, but as always, I'll see you next week.